Come what may, I guess it's what they say. Yeah, the shades of gray, it's what they'll say. But is this where it'll stay? Soldiers sent far away, tunnel to disarray. So now tell me what they say. Whatever come, what may, that's all there's time to say. To whatever side you'll sway is where you'll stay. Those front lines are open, and that's your life today. Still history loops, time is sending them troops. Didn't have to sign up, still you're a new recruit. So time to put on those boots, because peace has been looted. And no matter how you feel, the situation has been mooted. With all things disputed, you better been suited. Well, it's all you sway, no rivers or signs away, 'cause the ones are open, and that's your right to gain. But still in your cerebellum, and that chest where your heart's swelling, it's for pride and country your service is defending. Reality down with force, still you ain't crossing 'cause you're walking more. Still leave a cerebellum, and that chest where your heart's swelling, it's for pride and country your service is defending. CV's possum parabellum, CV's possum parabellum, to ease them nerves, that's all they'll ever tell them. Still across them borders, you're just following orders, and an inner voice on recorder. Veni vidi vici, will my loved ones ever see me? I don't mean to sound too greedy, still the urge to just see home has got me needy. Still I'll own that constitution, while life is its restitution, as it still has me shooting through this worldly convoluted. I'm still a soldier through and through, even if no one ever knew. And oh Lord, don't wonder where this gone. And in those days when war is on, I'll always say my mission was to call, a memorial to call on. I just hope we all can stay calm, yes all, and stay strong, strong.